All right, now here's a story that's creating waves online. A simple conversation between two friends has mushroomed into a virtual movement. Ali Mathan and Anju Kadam of Bangalore are the names behind the 100 Sari Pact hashtag. All they wanted to do was to dig out their wardrobes and wear their 6 yards of sari 100 times before the end of 2015. Line rate over 353 followers on Twitter, and Facebook is replete with feeds of women posting their pictures in a sari and taking the pledge. From heavily embroidered Kanjivaram silks to Chanderis to Bengal tans, the pact gains popularity with women of all age groups. Joining me from Bangalore is Pratibha Raman, who has also joined the sari pact. Pratibha, over to you.
Well, Shiv, being a dancer myself, it's always a pleasure to wear a sari, and I have some of the beautiful ladies in their beautiful saris, all of them part of this 100 Sari Pact. We're already 50 days into it, and all of them have some interesting stories to share. I have with me one of the brains behind it. I'm sure you have a lovely story to share.
Well, I'd like to share the story that you and I discovered together. The sari has become a medium of communication, a medium of culture, a medium of expressing ourselves. And I walked in and saw you in your beautiful sari, and I said, wow, Pratibha, what's the story? And we spoke about our schools. We discovered we went to the same school, and we spoke about our graduation sari, and that was a lovely share.
That's right. So that kind of makes me want to do not want to declare how old I am, but then that besides, in fact, it's not just about wearing a sari, but it also is about how you carry yourself. And this beautiful lady actually became famous because of her lovely red bindi. Would you actually tell us how it happened?
Well, on the second day of the Sari Pact, I walked into a restaurant and I had this family sitting at a table next to ours, and finally she walked up to me and she said, you know, I recognized you from your big red bindi that you were wearing, and that's how, and now we're friends actually with the entire Sari Pact, so yeah.
Right. In fact, Anju is also the other brain behind this 100 Sari Pact, and in fact, she was once upon a time a journalist herself. So what kind of a story would you like to share?
You know, lots and lots of stories. First of all, I want to just say that the 100 Sari Pact is all about celebration. It's all about the celebration of our lives. It's about the celebration of our stories. As a journalist, I remember, as a rookie journalist, I used to go for interviews with dignitaries and with heads of companies, and I would go on the sari because it would give me the confidence. There's nothing that says a woman is in control as much as a woman in a sari, according to me.
So it's not just about celebration, but every sari has an emotional bond. You connect with it emotionally, and in fact she has one such emotional story to share.
What I'm wearing today is a Telia Rumal from Andhra Pradesh, bought by my mom some 40 odd years ago on a holiday. It hasn't seen light of day since she passed away so many years ago, and I'm wearing it today. I never felt closer, not just to my mom, but to all the gorgeous women of this country. Thank God for saris and the 100 Sari Pact.
Right, but this young lady does not have an emotional connect, but she has something more to it. Ma'am, could you tell us what exactly is it? Is it about the weave? Is it about the fabric?
My connection with the sari is pretty much the exploration of the weaves of this country. One small story, when I was searching for a particular weave which was done about 15 years ago, I came across that weaver after a very long time, and I showed him the picture and I said, do you make this anymore? He said, no, I don't weave at all anymore because my children are educated. But he picked out this sari off 15 years ago, all rat-eaten and torn, and I just grabbed it and I said, okay, thank you very much, as if my entire mission of looking for the textile was over because I had found what I wanted to.
So it is basically a celebration. This 100 Sari Pact has given us so many stories and so many connections, so many conversations. It is indeed a beautiful way to start your day, especially when you wear a sari and get out.